Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to style your fashion twist, and I hope you enjoy the video and tell me if you learned something.
She said, "Te amo," but she put her hand around me waist. Told her no, she cried, "Te amo." Told her I'm not gonna run away. Let me go. I saw you to cry. I asked you why. I said, "Te amo." Somebody tell me what she said. Don't it mean I love you? Think it means I love you. Don't it mean I love you? Te amo, she's scared to breathe. I hold your hand and got no choice. Meet me out on the beach, danced in the water. I start to leave. She's begging me and asking why it's over. And she said, "Te amo," but she put her hand around my waist. Told her no, she cried, "Te amo." Told her I'm not gonna run away. Let me go. I saw them to cry. I asked you why. I said, "Te amo." Somebody tell me what she said. Don't it mean I love you? Think it means I love you? Don't it mean I love you? Listen, we can dance. You gotta wash your hands. Watch me all night. I'm moving to the light because I understand that we all need love, and I'm not afraid. Feel the love, but I don't feel that way. And she said, "Te amo," but she put her hand around my waist. Told her no, she cried, "Te amo." Told her I'm not gonna run away. Let me go. I saw me to cry. I asked you why. I said, "Te amo." Somebody tell me what she said. Don't it mean I love you? Think it means I dance. Watch me all night. I'm moving to the light because I understand that we all need love, and I'm not afraid. Feel the love, but I don't feel that way. And she said, "Te amo," but she put her hand around my waist. Told her no, she cried, "Te amo." Told her I'm not gonna run away. Let me go. I saw me to cry. I asked you why. I said, "Te amo." Somebody tell me what she said. Don't it mean I love you? Think it means I.
You're now tuned into the people's DJ, the one and only DJ Arlo.
Te amo, she says to me. I hear pain in her voice. Then we danced underneath the candelabra. She takes the lead. That's when I saw it in her eyes. It's over. And she said, "Te amo," but she put her hand around my waist. Told her no, she cried, "Te amo." Told her I'm not gonna run away. Let me go. I saw me to cry. I asked you why. I said, "Te amo." Somebody tell me what she said. Don't it mean I love you? Think it means I love you. Don't it mean I love you? Te amo, te amo. She's scared to breathe. I hold your hand and got no choice. Meet me out on the beach, danced in the water. I start to leave. She's begging me and asking why it's over. And she said, "Te amo," but she put her hand around my waist. Told her no, she cried, "Te amo." Told her I'm not gonna run away. Let me go. I saw them to cry. I asked you why. I said, "Te amo." Somebody tell me what she said. Don't it mean I love you? Think it means I love you? Don't it mean I love
I'm late. You must be the bride. I'm your groom, Sebastian Klein.
Watch me all night, I move under the light because I understand that we all need love, and I'm not afraid. I feel the love, but I don't feel that way. Then she said, "Te amo," then she put her hand around my waist. Told her no, she cried, "Te amo." Told her run away, let me go. I saw it could cry. I asked you why. I said, "Te amo." Somebody tell me what she said. Don't it mean I love you? Think it means I.
You're now tuned into the people's DJ, the one and only DJ Arlo.
Te amo, she says to me. I hear pain in her voice. Then we danced underneath the